so today is the last day here. No, second to the last day. 4 a.m. and we're ready to travel back to Puerto Princesa. But Enzo still sleeping. Ayun. So 4 a.m. na. Antayin lang namin yung transport namin. Dahil pagdating naman namin sa Puerto Princesa is meron kaming Honda Bay tour na naka-ready doon, naka-standby. So, yun. Daddy, good morning. Hi guys! So we're here at the Honda Bay tour. Inantay lang namin yung mga kasama namin for tour bago kami bumaba. And so got a new goggles. Wow! So we're here at the Honda Bay area of the Puerto Princesa. Ayan. Ito. So, today is our third day. And, ayun. Honda Bay tour today. Ito yung mga destinations ng Honda Bay. At ito naman yung kanilang price list. Papunta na po tayo dun sa ating boat. Ayan. Kami ngayon sa aming boat.
Wala pong problema, mariretrieve ko yan 100%. Pero, pag iba, then, kaya po kanina tinatanong ko, ito happen most likely, pinakamaaga po natin. Actually, dito naman po sa Howling, maganda po yung mga corals dyan. Sabi po na,
So, hi guys! So, we're here at Cowrie Island. Yo, Daddy! Where's Daddy? Wow! Mami! Mama Zenny! So, sobrang kalmado po ng dagat at walang tao. Kami pa lang. Mamaya pa daw po maka-crowded dito. Cowrie Island! So nice here. Very peaceful. So supposedly dapat kami ay joiners. Dapat joiners kami pero dahil wala daw mga nag-confirm the booking ay naka-private kami in a small boat today. Na kami lang, 6. Hi Enzo! Oh, meron pa ditong parang volleyball area, oh. Volleyball area. Parang Boracay yung sands. Nadi. Yeah, enjoy? Very fine and powdery and... Powdery.
Powder.
Fine. Super fine. Ito talaga? Yes.
Diyan tayo.
Okay.
Daddy,
And here is the water here. Mag-vlog na lang tayo. Hi! Yay! Enzo! Yay! Picture Daddy. Picture.
sige, takbo ako. Sige, takbo. I can see fish. Can you see fish? Go. Lumag ka.
So, meron tayo ditong ganyan. Ganda. Super peaceful. Pero sabi nila, sabi nung aming guide, may mga cruise ship daw na dumadaong dun sa port tapos pumupunta dito. after. So mga 12 ng tanghali daw is super crowded na tong area na to. So we're now preparing for our lunch and this is our lunch. Yes.
Ewan ko to, hilahin ko ng konti.
Ay. Oh no. Here's our food for today. This is so yummy. We're now about to start our lunch. Hello guys. Hi. Say hi. Hi to the vlog for the yummy. Eat, everyone. Everyone no? Kala mo naman vloggerist talaga. So we are now at the second stop. This is Luli Island. Here. Ito po, Lulubog Dilitaw Island. Wow.
Kaka-cellphone.
Oh, di mo kalab.
Cellphone mo yan.
Okay, bababa na tayo. This is the Luli Island. Ayan. We'll be staying here for an hour. So we're here. Welcome to Luli Island. Saan sa may tubig? Ayan po. Ito, low tide. Low tide daw ngayon. So, welcome to Luli Island. That is So hi guys, we're here at our last stop. This is Pambato Reef dito. Yan. So naka-float ang ating boat. Dito lang kami sa ibabaw. Magpapakain lang kami ng isda. Pagod na po sila. Kaya sila mami pagod na. Ayan. This will be our last stop for today. Okay. Let's go! Kami mamaya.
Nasa malayo na ako.
Okay, it's moving. Fishy. Wala eh, kasi malabo mata ko kuya. Basta bababa din ako. Nakikisilip-silip na lang. Hi! Okay, so we're moving, we're walking. So time check, what time is it? So it's 1:30. Ooh, exciting na. Okay, so we're here now. The welcome to Pambato Reef. Hawak ka. Go.
Pag-floater mo ako yung makawak. Ma'am, pag-floater.
Okay na kuya.
Wala kayong mask, ma'am?
Malabo mata ko eh.
Ayun na yung fish. Ayun na. Ikabit mo na.
Ayun na, dami.
Dami.
Bye-bye, Enzo.
Hi guys! So, andito na po kami ngayon sa Citadel. Citadel accommodation dito sa Palawan. Isang buong villa, isang buong room ito. Ayan na sila. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura nung bahay. And, hi Enzo! So, ito yung kanilang area. May sala, may kama, may double deck. Pwede siguro tong... Tapos, meron din sila dito. So, actually, pwede rin magluto, oh. Lahat merong aircon. Hi! At ito naman yung second room. Yun lang. Tapos may pasalamin dito. Hello! Hi guys, so nakaligo na tayo. At nakaligo na po tayo. Si Daddy sleeping and si Enzo naman ngayon yung ating babanlawan. Okay. So this is their pool area. Ayan, may pool sila. Tapos ito yung aming villa. Ito yung villa and then meron sila a little resto here. Hi! Hi vlog! Okay. So tomorrow morning maaga yung aming out. 7 AM. Kung magigising kami ng 6 ay magsiswimming pa kami ng 6. Hello everybody! What's up? Vlog! So we're here. We're going to Palawan's Baywalk. Magbabike si Enzo sa Baywalk. Hi, kuya. Ayan. So, let's go. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Palawan by the bay. Meron po ditong nakaparadang cruise ship. Ayun. Kita niyo yun. Super big. Yan, magbabike si Enzo. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Palawan by the Bay. Tayo kakain. Tayo kakain ngayon sa G4 Connect. Dito. Diyan. Okay, this is our dinner. We have pork, chicken, pansit, and bang silog by the bay.
Use your spoon and fork. Maulong ka mag-ito, ha?
Tapos lang namin mag-dinner. And babike lang si Enzo before we go home. Yun. Ito po si Enzo, nagbabike na. Enzo's biking na. Hoy! Ayan na. So, bumibilis na po si Enzo.
Nakauwi na kami.
Anong gagawa mo?
Ay, di nais lang yung kapit ko.
Ba't saan ka punta?
Uwi na bukas.
Saan tayo punta? Bukas. Hi guys!
Hey guys!
We're here!
We're here. Our hotel.
So, hi guys! So, ayan, nakauwi na kami. We're so tired. Nagbike si Enzo, tapos kumain lang kami nun, tapos umuwi na rin kami. Then, tomorrow, we will wake up at around 5 AM. Tapos, we will be picked by our van at around 6:30 in the morning, and that's it. Our flight will be like 9 AM. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. And so, today is our last day. It's 6 AM and magla-lunch, mag-breakfast lang kami before yung pick up ng van. sa amin. So, yun. Hi guys! Good morning. So, it's a little bit dark here. Yeah, with the pool area. So, kakain lang kami. Enzo, you're still sleepy? So, you po si Enzo.
Sleepy pa.
That is eating.
Sleepy?
Mazen. Papa Bunso eh. So, we're here at Puerto Princesa Airport. Pasok na kami. So, naka-check-in na kami. I-drop off na lang yung baggage and we're ready for boarding. Oh, hi. Come here, guys. More boarding time. Ayun si Daddy. Naglag na ba si Daddy?
So, hi.
Hi!
What is that?
Si Mimi, hi! Si Mimi. Mami. Hi! Hello! Si Mimi. So, ito na pala yung kanilang departure area. Oh, ang ganda na ng airport ng Puerto Princesa. Super ganda. And finally, we're now here at their boarding area. So we're now going home. We're boarding. Boarding. Yes. Let's go. Good thing. So we're here now. Where are we now? There's a lot of smoke up.
Guests for this flight to Manila must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific Ipa.
Finally, we're here. Dito na kami sa Manila. So, uwi na kami. Now at Terra Baby. Uwi na po kami sa Cavite. Ano? Okay ba? Hi guys! So, we're finally here at home. We made it at home. Yes, thank you Lord for a very safe trip. At ayun, so nagre-rest lang kami dahil medyo pagod ang mga lolo at lola mo. And so, kamusta ka? Enjoy?
Happy?
Happy? Super happy pa na? Okay. So, maybe it's time to end the vlog now. Wait. Vlog. See you in our next trip vlog. So, bye guys. Bye. Sabihin mo, bye. Sabihin mo, bye.
Bye! Enjoy!